Wasted spend, no control, low organic sales, and all these things could happen if you do not work with your negatives and duplicates correctly. Yes, right, maybe you have more than $10,000 in wasted spend during the last 60 days. Let's check it, but first, let's go and subscribe, click on the likes and leave the comments below. After that, we will have a chance to answer all these questions, and of course, you will stay tuned into all these things. So the first point that I would like to discuss with you is the wasted spend. When we check the search term report, you could go inside, download it, and click, for example, on ACOS filter. You will see that you have a lot of keywords that is much higher than your target ACOS. Is it this part that you are controlling? Is it this part that you're want to get? If yes, okay, that could be so you control everything in your account. But I think that could be a bad impact. Right now you will find, when you will filter by the ACOS, you will find on the left part all the targets that do not reach your goals by this period of time. You will have a chance to optimize them, to make some actions as disable them, maybe to post, maybe to add them as the duplicates. That also could be the reason why you do that. So we recommend you to grab all the keywords on the left to understand is that the good keywords or not, should you invest them or not, should you optimize them, if you will post them, or you will understand that that is the irrelevant one. You should collect and create a column of these keywords that then will be added into your main campaigns that you're using on Amazon in sponsored products, for example, or sponsored brands as the negative exact or negative phrase. Also, the point when you will start working with the wasted spend could be the point when you will go into the sales, for example. We will check that in the case of you have a clicks, but with no sales. You will also filter all the things by the ACOS. You will turn off all metrics where you will see the ACOS number, and you will just choose the 0 one or the bulk things. After that, you will see the all actions, and you will have a chance to filter by the clicks, and you will see how many clicks and keywords just spent without any sales. All these keywords, your roadmap will be the same. You should grab them and collect in the case of the irrelevant part and add them as the negative phrase or negative exact to all other campaigns that you're using. The second point that is so important when you collect in your semantic core, please pay attention when you filter something. When you absolutely understand that that is not my size, that is not my color, that is not this shape that I would like to, that is my product as, yeah? And you will have a chance to understand what is the main part of the negatives that you should exclude. If you will have a chance to do that on the beginning, you will not spend a lot of money on that. You will not have a lot of wasted spend or irrelevant traffic to your listing, and that will be great. So the next step and the main part, what you do, you create two different columns as the relevant keywords and irrelevant keywords, and you should add all of them here, and after that you will have a chance to understand and more closely work with all other things inside your Amazon account. So the last point here will be to check your search term report, and you should do that weekly or monthly in the case of the new keywords that you could add as okay keywords, relevant one. You will perform a test for them. Yeah, they provide you with a good results, and okay, we will do. And the second one, most important point, is to check the irrelevant traffic that Amazon, for example, provide you with the after campaigns or the broad campaigns, wording for grabbing and finding all the things. All these keywords should you work and add them into your negative part. Yeah, is the negative exact or negative phrase for the all campaigns that you're using. So I guess you will find these all insights really cool for making all these steps right now, and you will see that these steps will perform and will save you a lot of money as we do in this channel. So just subscribe to it, set a like, and provide us with your comments below.